How are you guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to do a quick little video just explaining how to create a multiplayer game in SnowRunner. So we do a lot of live streams on TikTok, we also stream on Twitch, but we have a lot of new people coming into our Discord asking very basic questions, which is fair enough. If you haven't played the game before, then you're not expected to know how to do certain things. So what we're going to do today is we're going to initiate a multiplayer game in SnowRunner. So we're going to start a custom map, and we're going to want extra people to come in and join our map. What we need to do, we need to go into the mod browser, we need to download the map that we're going to be doing. So today in this instance we're going to be using the TNB Trails map. We haven't actually used this one before, so I'm pretty keen to check it out and see what it's like. And then the other thing is we always run the GGMS Money Trucks and Trailers mod that allows you to buy anything. It's a very simple way to get lots of money really quick if you want to do free roam stuff. And the other thing we're doing today is we're doing the Watcher 61 and the Caravan mod. So these can be anything, but the main thing is you do need to download and enable. Make sure you enable. So down here we've subscribed to that mod and we've also enabled it. So we've clicked on. What we'll do now is we're going to go back to a new game. We're going to go custom scenario. We're going to choose that map that we've downloaded from the list. If you've got multiple maps, it's going to show multiple maps here, so you just choose the one that you want, select that. So we've only got 4 slots in the game. These are slots that save your progress on each map. These are all showing a error here because I've uninstalled or unenabled every other mod, so we've just got the one map, and obviously I haven't used that map yet. So we're going to choose here, we're going to accept to overwrite. Alright, so we've loaded into a game, very basic. What we're going to do first of all, because I've never used this map, we need to find the garage. So we're starting off in the garage, which is really easy, and then we're going to go into the garage. That means that we've discovered the garage in this map, which you need to do for every new map that you use. We leave the garage, we can now hop out back to the main menu. Alright, so now that we're back here, what we're going to do, we're going to start co-op. We're going to select that same exact slot with the same map that we chose just previously. I'm going to click on that. So if you are the one creating the lobby, we're going to go create game. We do want 4 players. We want modded trucks on. So those modded trucks that we've downloaded in a modded browser, that's going to enable us to play that. Start co-op. And it's just going to load for a little while it creates a session. Alright, so we're in the garage now. We've got no trucks because it's a brand new map, so there's nothing saved from a previous session. But what we do is we, on my keyboard, I push exit, or you can push down here into the menu, and we go manage party. And then up here you can see it's got a join code. Now you can copy the invite code, or you can just verbally tell them to the people you want to join your session, and it's basically that easy. What I recommend and what we find works really well is definitely making sure that you have exactly the same mods. All the people that are joining your session need to have exactly the same mods, and if you're the one starting the session, stay in your garage in this exact screen that I am, and you'll see eventually as people use that join code and they successfully join your lobby, they will pop up here, here and here. Don't exit this screen until you see these people pop in one by one. In our experience, with lots of random people joining, that is the easiest way to do it. And that just stops any errors happening or people getting kicked usually. So not all the time, it's not a perfect system. It's far from a perfect system, to be honest, but that is the easiest way to do it in our experience. Now, if you're a person that's trying to join someone else's session, you do need to go through those same steps that we just did, but you're going to click connect to session by code, and then you're going to enter the code that I showed you just previously. You do need to have the exact same mods enabled as the person creating that lobby as well, so please keep that in mind. Just talk with each other and make sure you have those exact same mods. Alright, so as for the money mod, a quick little tip for that money mod, you can see here, purchase and deploy, that just adds $1 million. So real basic, all your modded trucks are in here ready to go. If we scroll across, we've got the Watcher 61, right here, purchase and deploy, and then we've got that sitting in the garage ready to go. And you can have multiple cars lined up in your own garage ready to go. So we usually do up all our cars before we go into a game or before we stream, so all of our cars are ready to go. Alright guys, I hope that helped you. Just a very basic quick video just explaining how to start our multiplayer game. It can be a little bit tricky first time you're doing it, or the first couple of times you do it, but once you get into a flow and you remember what to do, it is quite straightforward. Easy guys, thank you.